What's up, guys and girls? Does it feel like your blower motor isn't producing a lot of airflow, or maybe you get a funny smell coming out of your vents? Well, today I'm going to show you a tip for increasing your airflow and maybe getting rid of that funny smell coming out of your vents. I'm going to use a 2016 Ford Escape as an example, but nearly every vehicle is the same for this application. So let's go see what we can find. Okay, so how the heating and HVAC system works is the system draws its air through these vents here under the hood, and this is really common. You know, all these leaves, you get all these leaves come down here and dust, and it's very common for all that stuff to get in here. You see on this side it's the same thing, got all these leaves. So all this stuff that is smaller than the screen, it's gonna get sucked into the system. So what we're gonna do now is go find the cabin air filter, and that is the filter that all the air comes through to enter the system. So we're gonna go find it here and take a look at it. Okay, so on the Ford Escape, it's fairly easy to get at the cabin air filter. Some vehicles is a lot more difficult than others, but we'll just get at it here. There's this couple clips here that hold this bottom cover on, so we'll just remove those clips. I'm gonna pull that out. Now, if you can see, way up in there, there's the cover for the cabin air filter. So I'm just gonna go depress these tabs on the side, pull the cover off. As you can see, there's the filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of here. They don't give you much room, so you just gotta kind of twist and pull it out. Yeah, it'll come. Okay, so we got the filter out. Let's go inspect it. Okay, we got the filter here, and if you can see inside here, you can see all the dust. Let's see if I can get it good. Here, see all that? Yeah, right there. You can see all this dust and fuzz forming. And you got to remember, this vehicle is only 3 years old, so look at all that dust there. So this filter has done its job, but it's way too dirty now, so we're going to go ahead and throw a new one in there, and we're going to get a lot better airflow and improve the efficiency of our system. So we'll get a new one and throw it in there. Okay, I went ahead and put the new filter in, so let's turn the car on. Now we're getting a lot better flow. Yeah, really good. There it is. If you feel your heating and HVAC just isn't up to par, first thing to do is check your cabin air filter and get it changed. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description for inexpensive filters and stuff on Amazon. If you like the movie or it helped you out, please leave a thumbs up, give a subscribe, or leave a comment. Thanks for watching.